In this video, I'll show you how to close all apps at once on your Android phone. This simple trick can help your device run smoother, reduce background activity, and improve overall performance. First thing, to open the recent apps screen. You can do this by swiping up from the bottom of the screen and holding for a second before releasing your finger. If your phone uses navigation buttons, tap the recent apps icon at the bottom of the screen. Once the recent apps menu appears, you'll see all the apps currently running in the background. Swipe through them if needed. At the bottom of the screen, look for the Close All button. Tap it once and all open apps will instantly close at the same time. This method is fast, easy, and works on most Android phones, including Samsung, Xiaomi, Realme, Oppo, Vivo, and more. It's especially useful when your phone feels slow or you want to quickly clear background apps. That's it for this video. Hope this helps. See you in the next one.